Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive on PC. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through general settings as far as Google Drive is concerned on PC. What are the things you need to turn on and what are the things you need to turn off as far as general setting and customization of your Google Drive homepage in PC is concerned. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Drive. You can see this is my homepage tab right here. We can decide to change the look of our Google Drive and we configure how our Google Drive look. And for that, go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on set icon. Go ahead and click on settings right here and then navigate to general tab right here. Under this general tab right here, you can go ahead and switch from startup page to be your home page to be my drive right here. So if I create a new tab right here and I try to click on apps right here and I click on Google Drive right now, then you find out that it has changed from the from home page to my drive right here, which simply means that each time I'm coming to my Google Drive, I'm having my drive as the first item on the list instead of the home page right here. So let's go back to settings right here. If I switch back to home page right here and I come back right here, I decide to refresh the Google Drive right here. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh. So once I refresh, then you'll find out that it's going to take me to the home page right here. So let's go back to the drive settings right here. I'm going to switch back to my drive. Then here, the next setting right here is appearance. You can decide to switch from light to dark right here. So what you can see when I switch to dark, it's going to automatically change to dark. So if I come back right here and I decide to refresh the Google Drive, you can see it has been fully effective right here, just like what you see right there. So let's go back to settings right here. You can also switch back to default settings or switch back to light or switch back to dark theme. This is the only take effect on your Google Drive homepage. So let's go to the density right here, comfort, cozy, and compact. You can switch to any of the options right here. Now open PDF. You can decide to preview the PDF or click on new tab right here. So let's go back right here and then I'm going to go new tab right here. So then next thing here is upload. Convert uploads to Google Docs editor format. Now, if you select on this particular section right here, it simply means that whatever file format you upload into your Google Drive, it's going to automatically convert the file to Google Docs for easy file editing. So it's that simple. The next thing here is offline. Create, open, and edit your recent docs, sheet, and slide file in this device while offline. Not recommended on public or shared computer. So this is only available and you can only use these features in your PC, which simply means that if you check this particular box right here, it allows you to work offline from some of these options right here, like Google Docs, Sheet, and Slide file, as the case may be, only on your device. So you can make sure you enable this. Then preview card. Show details card when hovering your file or icon, as the case may be. Make sure this is checked, and the feature here is that when I hover my mouse right here, it gives me a big preview, and if I hover my mouse right here, it gives me a big preview of what we have inside that particular file. If I hover my mouse on any of the file right here, so you can see it gives us a big preview. Even if it is a picture, it's going to give us a big preview. So you can make sure you check on that. Then sound. Allow sound for first letter, the navigation action, like loading, file not found, list as, etc. Then you can also enable this particular icon to check. And lastly, if you are the kind that does not understand the default language in your Google Drive, you can easily click on change language settings right here and it's going to redirect right here. Then you can add another language, click on add another language, then you can choose from different options right here. From here, you can easily change your Google Drive language to whatever language you understand right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the available language right here. You can easily select it, and then the only language that will change in this section are the language you use in your Google Drive. It's that simple. Then you can also automatically add language on Google. We automatically add language that you frequently use in Google service. You might see content in this language. You can permanently save or remove added language at any point in time, and make sure this particular button here is also turned on. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as proper general settings in your Google Drive or PC is concerned. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Drive on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.